Today we are going to make chickpea waffles. This recipe is for about 7 waffles and it takes approximately 12 hours to soak the chickpeas and 60 minutes to prepare the waffles. Like many pulses, chickpeas are a very important source of protein, especially in the global south. They are mostly grown in India and eaten widely all over the world. In addition to 200 grams of dried chickpeas, you need 60 grams of whole grain flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 300 ml of water, 30 grams of canola oil, another vegetable oil, 5 grams of psyllium seed husks, sugar, salt and pepper. Moreover, you also need a pot, a bowl, a whisk or hand mixer, a blender, a spatula and a waffle iron. You should soak dried chickpeas for a minimum of 12 hours before cooking. If foam is appearing, change the water. After the soaking, you need to discard the water since it contains properties that can be toxic for the human body. This is also why you should not eat raw pulses. After you have soaked the chickpeas, cook them in water for 1 hour. To expedite the cooking process, you can boil them for 15 minutes using a pressure cooker. Alternatively, you can use 400 grams of canned chickpeas, but you should be aware that dried pulses have a lower carbon footprint than canned pulses. So it is much more environmentally friendly to use dried chickpeas and cook them yourself. Retain the water from the canned chickpeas or the cooking water from the dried chickpeas, known as aquafaba. This liquid is used a lot in vegan cuisine. You can use it as egg replacement, for example in our vegan raspberry mousse that you can find in another video. As a next step, mix 60 grams of whole grain flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder in a bowl. You can add sugar or salt and pepper according to your taste. Add the water, the oil and the psyllium seed husks to the flour mixture. Blend the chickpeas into the mixture using a blender. We recommend to use as many locally produced ingredients as possible, so pay attention to the origin of your vegetable oil. Buying locally not only helps your local economy, but also contributes to reducing global warming. Let the mixture rest and expand for 30 minutes. Afterwards, give it a good stir. Preheat your waffle iron, apply a light coating of grease and carefully cook the waffles. Enjoy!